Religious centers of Karnataka and their significance. Karnataka has seen many religious movements since ages. The socio-cultural changes also accompanied such changes. In this article, we will take a look at various religious centers in various parts of Karnataka and their historic as well as contemporary significance. Shaiva monuments. We'll start with the Shaiva monuments. To the Shaivas, Gokarna is a great all-India center where Atmalinga, that is Mahabaleshwara of Shiva, brought by Ravana, is believed to have been installed. Nearby is Murdeshwara, where a huge modern Shiva temple in Dravidian style has been raised by renovating an ancient shrine. Both the places are in the seashore in Uttar Kannada. At Hampi is the famous Virupaksha temple, which is venerated by generations of poets, scholars, kings and commoners. Madikere has the famous Omkareshwara temple built by the Kodagu rulers during the 19th century. Dharmasthala in Dakshina Kannada is the most popular Shiva center in Karnataka. Nanjanagud in Mysore district also has the huge Sri Kanteshwara temple, which is more than 1000 years old. The Chamarajeshwara in Chamarajanagar is built in the 19th century by Krishnaraja Odiyar III in memory of his father Chamaraja, and both these huge temples have fine stucco images. The Nanjanagud temple is the museum for the study of Shaiva iconography with its fine stone figures in the round. Bengaluru has the Ulsur Someshwara temple of the 16th century, which is built by the Kempegowda family with an imposing Rajagopura. Equally remarkable pieces of art are the Virupaksha and Mallikarjuna at Pattadakal in Bagalkot district. Temples at Talakadu, Vijaypura and Madukutore, that is Mallikarjuna on a hill, are together famous as 5 holy lingas, that is Panchalingas, and are on the bank of river Kaveri. The Shiva temple at Kudala Sangama in Bagalkote district is famous for its association with Saint Basaveshwara. On Shivaratri day, Jatras are held at Chamarajeshwara and Chamarajanagar centers. Veerashaiva monuments. Veerashaivas have many venerated places either associated with Basaveshwara or his contemporaries. Basavana Bagewadi is the place of birth and Kudala Sangama is the place of his spiritual practices, and they are in Vijaypura and Bagalkot districts. The latter is at the confluence of the river Krishna and the Malaprava, that is Kudala Sangama. Basava Kalyana, the ancient Chalukyan capital in Bidar district, was the place where Basaveshwara conducted his socio-religious movements. Ulavi in Uttar Kannada is a quiet place amidst forest and has the samadhi of Channabasavanna, who is Basaveshwara's nephew. Belagavi, that is Balligavi, is the famous Chalukyan art center in Shivamogga district, and it is identified as the birthplace of Allama Prabhu, and place called Udutadi is the native place of Akka Mahadevi. Veerashaiva saints of later period are associated with many places, that is Kadakola Madivallajana Matha, Sharanabasveshwara temple, Dasoha Matha at Kalburgi are few more places of worship. The Mahadeshwara Betta in Chamarajanagar district is associated with the Veerashaiva saint ascribed with many miracles. Ediyur in Tumkuru district has the Gadduge of Tontada Siddhalanga Yati, who is another renowned saint. Balehonnuru in Chikkamaluru district and Ujjini in Bellary district are the two of the famous 5 important Veerashaiva Pitas of India in Karnataka. Athani has a samadhi of the famous Veerashaiva saint Shivayogi. Some of the outstanding Veerashaiva mathas are seen at Nagnur near Bailahongala and Kalmata in Belagavi. Durundeshwara Matha at Arabhami and Mahantesha Swami Matha at Murgod are in Belagavi district. Muruga Matha is in Dharwad. Anandeshwara Matha in Mundargi, Tontadare Matha at Gadag and Dambal, and Murasavara Matha at Hubballi. Muruga Matha and Hukkere Matha at Haveri are famous. Talabalu Matha at Srigeri, Muruga Rajendra Matha at Chitradurga are also there. The Samadhi of Sharanabasappa Appa at Kalburgi and Siddharudha Matha at Hubballi and the Belli Matha in Bangalore are very famous. There is also Siddhaganga Matha near Tumkuru and Jagadguru Shivaratriswara Matha at Mysuru and Sattur. They are equally important. Kolar district has Nidumamidi Matha. These places and many more of the Veerashaiva Mathas are visited by pilgrims in thousands. Bhoganandeshwara temple at Chikkaballapura district is also famous. Advaita centers. Karnataka has many Advaita centers. Of the Advaita school propounded by the Adi Shankara, there is the famous Matha at Sringeri in Chikkamangaluru district. Kudli has another Matha in the same tradition in Shivamogga district. Advaita Matha at Swarnavalli, that is in Uttara Kannada district, has several palm leaf manuscripts. This Matha has a large number of followers, especially the Havyakas of the Uttara Kannada district and elsewhere. Avani in Kolar district, Shivaganga in Tumkur district, and Sankeshwar in Belagaon district are the other prominent centers of this affiliation. Of the Advaita Sampradaya, there are famous Siddharudha Mathas at Hubballi and Shivananda Matha at Gadag. Dattatreya worship. It is popular in Karnataka and Devala Ganagapur in Kalburgi district, where one of the famous saints from Karnataka, that is Narsimha Saraswati, stayed for long, and Dattatreya devotees from all over Karnataka throng the place. Kurugadda is an island in the Krishna river in Raichur district and has the samadhi of Sri Pada Vallabha, and who is another devotee of Dattatreya, the guru of Narsimha Saraswati. At Balekundri near Belagavi is the samadhi of another devotee of Dattatreya called Pant Balekundri Maharaj. Murugod in Belagavi district and Agadi in Haveri district have a similar centers. Inam Dattatreya Pita at Baba Budangiri Hill in Chikkamangaluru district is worshipped by both Hindus and Muslims. As a Muslim devotee of Dattatreya, Dada Hayat Kalandar stayed and worshipped Dattatreya at this shrine, that is cave, and the latter's samadhi tomb are also seen on the hill. Maniknagar near Humnabad is another center of Dattatreya worship and was consecrated by the presence of a saint called Manik Prabhu. For the Nathapanthis, there are representations at Handi Badagnath in Khanapur Talik, Appachiwadi near Nippani, and Kadri in Mangalore. Kalabhaireshwara temple, Adi Chinchinagiri are the other notable centers. Bhairava is a manifestation of Shiva and he is worshipped in many places, and of these Adi Chinchinagiri in Mandya district and Siti Betta in Kolar district are quite famous. Adi Chinchinagiri has now the famous Matha of Vakkaliga community. Veerabhadra temples. Another popular manifestation of Shaivism is Veerabhadra. Veerabhadra is supposed to be the son of Shiva. Popular centers of his worship are spread all over Karnataka, but the famous ones are Edur on the banks of Krishna and Godachi in Belagavi district, Mugabalu and Savanadurga in Bangalore district, Channappanapura in Mysore district, and Koppa in Chikmagaluru district are famous. Shakti worship. Shakti is the consort of Shiva and is worshipped by many. The village deities like Maramma, Durgamma, Patalamma, Sappalamma, Plegamma, Matangamma, etc. have been identified with her. Of the Shakti centers to be noted are Chandralambata Sannati, Banashankari temple, Badami in Kalburgi, Bhagyavanti in Dattaraki, Mayava at Chinchali, Yellamma at Saudatti, Banashankari near Badami, that is in Bagalkot districts, Bhuvaneshwari at Hampi, Marikamba at Sirsi, that is in Uttara Kannada, and Mukambika of Kollur and Annapurneshwari of Varanadu are also famous. Further, Chamundeshwari in Mysuru and Hemadrama at Bannuru, that is in Mysore district, Mahalakshmi at Rajarajeshwari temple, Polaha Doddagaddavali near Hasan, Lakshmi at Goravanahalli, Hasanamba at Hasan are also famous. More such temples are also at Vannadevi of Shivaganga, Mariamma at Huskur, Banashankari at Bangalore, and the one near Badami and Kolar Amma at Kolar are considered to be ancient. These places are visited by devotees of goddess in large number. Vaishnava centers. Among the Vaishnava centers, Udupi is the foremost, and it is connected with the Madhvacharya who stayed and preached his doctrine. Lord Krishna at Udupi was installed by Acharya Madhva. He founded 8 matas to help conduct services of the Lord at Udupi. The Madhva Vaishnavas have their own holy places like Sonda in Uttara Kannada, where Vadiraja Swami's Brindavana is seen. The pioneering Uttaradimata of sect is at Hosapete. The Moola Brindavanas of Jayatirtha and Kshobha Tirtha are at Malkhed on the bank of the river Kagina and is considered to be very vibrating pilgrimage center for Madhvas. The Nava Brindavana are the Brindavanas of 9 great seers of the sect is at Anegundi to the north of Hampi, and it is an island amidst the Tungabhadra river. Mulabagala in Kolar district has the Brindavana of Sri Padaraja. Abbur, Nanjangud, Sosale, Bhimanakatte, Mahishi, Manur, Sante Bidunur, that is in Andhra Pradesh, Mantralaya in Andhra Pradesh, and Saunur are the holy places for the Madhavas. The great Vaishnava saint Kanakadasa Samadhi is at Kaginelle in Haveri district, where recently a mata has been founded with the name Kanakaguru Pita. Kanakadasa is one of the exponents of Haridasa literature, and he visited Udupi Krishna temple, and the god is said to have turned backwards and given him a special darshan through Kanakanakindi, and it is also called the Dashavatara Kindi. Places like Mannur, Malkhed, Honnalli, Kudli, Sosale, Eragola, Holehonnur, Honnali, Budikote, etc. are also noteworthy Madhva centers in the state. Sri Vaishnavism. Sri Vaishnavism was preached by Ramanujacharya during the 12th century, and he stayed at Saligrama, that is Mysore district, where there is a Bhashyakara temple in his memory. He also stayed at Tonnuru and Melkote in Mandya district. At the last place, that is Melkote, he is believed to have renovated Chaluvanarayana Swami temple and conducted the meditation and puja for a long time. These are the holy Sri Ramanujacharya places to Sri Vaishnavas and also to others. There is a Parakala Mata at Mysuru and Jiyara Yatiraja Mata at Bengaluru in Malleshwaram. Apart from the above places which are holy to Sri Vaishnavas, there are temples of Vishnu and his incarnation, and they are found all over the state. Some of them are Raibag, Surpali, Halasi, Banavasi, Nagamangala, and Maddur in Mandya district, and at T. Narsipura in Mysore district. Lord Ranganatha has 2 famous centers of worship in the islands of river Kaveri, that is at Srirangapatana and Shivanasamudra. These temples have been called Adiranga and Madhyaranga, and both are visited by hosts of devotees. Equally famous Ranganatha temple is seen at Anegundi in Koppala district. The Chennakeshava at Beluru, Kirti Narayana at Talakad, Veera Narayana at Gadag, Saumya Keshava at Nagamangala are the famous Vaishnava pilgrimage centers. Hanuman is a popular Vaishnava deity, and he has the temples in Hampe, Bannur, that is in Mysore district, Bansawadi near Bengaluru, Karanji Anjaneya in Bengaluru, Elgur in Bagalkot district. Subramanya is the son of Shiva, and he has the worshipping centers at Sandur in Bellary district. Ghati Subramanya in Bengaluru rural district and Kukke Subramanya in Dakshina Kannada district are also famous. Mulabagal in Kolar district, Kadramandalgi in Haveri district, and Kengala Anjaneya and Sanjeevaraya near Channapatana and a host of other places are there for the worship of Lord Hanuman. In certain areas, Kartikeya is identified with the serpent worship, and an elaborate ritual called Nagamandala is performed in a huge arena decorated with colored powders and flowers. Around this, there is a special dance rituals, and they are performed by a trained priest. Witnessing Nagamandala or Yakshagana in a coastal Karnataka is a unique privilege to a visitor. So is seeing Bhuta worship rituals which are colorful and captivating. Other folk arts like Veergase is supposed to please god Veerbhadra. There is the Dollu Kunita to please Birudevaru. Further, there is a curious and funny dance Somana Kunita which entertains the onlooker through the huge mask-wearing artist. There is a Kamsale by the Devaraguddas, that is devotees of Madheshwara and Patata Kunita of Old Mysore region, and they are very fascinating. The peasant of folk arts of Karnataka like Yakshagana, Bailata, etc. captivate the audience for a long period, and they are all centered around the various gods. Janapada Loka near Ramanagara, that is Mysore-Bangalore Road, and the regional resource centers at MGM College in Udupi provide audio-visual tapes, and there is a huge folk museum in the Mysore University. Lastly, we come to Sikhism, which is a minority religion but a significant one. The Sikhs have their famous Nanak Jhara in Bidar, which is a place believed to have been visited by Guru Nanak. Gurudwara Nanak Mutt in Kalburgi of modern times is really noteworthy. There is a modern Gurudwara also at Ulsuru in Bangalore, built by white marble.